Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Kiddwaya leaves Erica in tears as he mentions Nengi, V and Tolani Baj as the only people he relates with. Erica had goosebumps all over after her love interest, Kiddwaya, left out her name while mentioning the people he relates with within the house. The lovebirds just recovered their relationship 2 nights ago and seems to be engaged in another fight because of Kiddwaya's comments. While deliberating on the people he feels he connects with and resonates with, he mentioned 2 people he knows Erica doesn't get along with in the house and left out Erica's name. She felt disgusted when he made it clear they don't have anything in common. He said, "We don't have anything in common, don't get it wrong. I mean this in terms of background and other things. I have something in common with Nengi, V and Tolani Baj because we have almost the same experiences. Tolani Baj knows my manager, V is from London and Nengi is from Abuja. But me and you have similar personalities and I'm not going deep, but when we have conversation, I connect with these people more." Guys, it's obvious that Kiddwaya is just hanging in there with Erica. He doesn't feel anything about Erica. He's just there with her. And she now, since she's drunk in love, she's blind in love, she's just shocked with the way everything is going. But because of the way she feels about Kiddwaya, she'll still be there now. So guys, let's just watch out and see how it goes for Erica. Okay guys, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.